Numbers are all around us. They measure time, space, and even our lives. But what if numbers were more than just tools for counting? What if they were the very essence of existence itself? This is the story of Pythagoras, an ancient Greek philosopher who believed that numbers were not just symbols but the fundamental building blocks of reality. A visionary who saw the universe as a grand symphony, orchestrated by the harmony of numbers. Pythagoras was born around 570 BC on the island of Samos, a place of beauty and culture. His father, Mystical, was a merchant, and his mother, Pythagoras, was known for her wisdom. From a young age, Pythagoras was different, curious, introspective, always asking questions. He was fascinated by the stars, wondering what lay beyond them. How did they move so perfectly? What invisible force maintained their harmony? Pythagoras began to see a pattern, a hidden order governing the cosmos. Little did he know, this curiosity would lead him to a revolutionary realization. Numbers were the key to unlocking the universe's secrets. Determined to seek knowledge beyond his homeland, Pythagoras traveled to Egypt, the land of ancient wisdom. Here, he studied under the priests, learning sacred geometry and the mysteries of the universe. In Egypt, geometry wasn't just a tool for measuring land. It was a spiritual language, revealing the order behind creation. Pythagoras was mesmerized. He realized that shapes and numbers were deeply connected, each holding a divine meaning. In Babylon, he learned astronomy from the Chaldeans. They believed that celestial movements followed precise numerical patterns, influencing events on Earth. This idea fascinated Pythagoras. Numbers weren't just human inventions. They were cosmic principles. These journeys transformed him. Numbers became more than tools. They were the invisible threads weaving the fabric of reality. Pythagoras saw numbers as divine, holding the secrets of existence itself. Returning to Greece, Pythagoras founded a school in Croton, a place shrouded in mystery, where philosophy, mathematics, and spirituality intertwined. This wasn't just a school, it was a brotherhood, a mystical society bound by secrecy, discipline, and a shared quest for truth. Only the most dedicated were allowed to join, taking oaths of silence and loyalty. All is number. Numbers govern the cosmos, shape reality, and harmonize existence. To understand numbers is to understand the universe itself. Pythagoras taught that numbers were sacred symbols, each carrying a unique essence. The number 1 represented unity, 2 duality, 3 harmony, and 4 stability. Together, they formed the tetractys, a mystical symbol of perfection and the foundation of creation. To the Pythagoreans, the tetractys was a portal to divine wisdom, representing the harmony of the cosmos. They chanted its verses, believing it connected them to the universe's spiritual essence. Pythagoras discovered that musical harmony was governed by numerical ratios. By dividing a string into simple fractions, a half, 1/3, a quarter, he produced harmonious notes, creating octaves, fifths, and fourths. Music wasn't just an art, it was mathematics in motion. Pythagoras realized that harmony was the result of numerical relationships, reflecting a cosmic order. He called it the music of the spheres. He believed that the planets, too, moved according to numerical harmonies, producing a celestial symphony. Though inaudible to human ears, this music of the spheres was the universe's song, resonating with divine order. Pythagoras saw numbers everywhere, in nature, in the cosmos, and within ourselves. He believed that numbers weren't just mathematical tools. They were the essence of all things, shaping reality itself. Number rules the universe. It is the force that brings order to chaos, harmony to discord. Pythagoras discovered that geometric patterns were governed by numerical relationships. Circles symbolized eternity, triangles represented harmony, and spirals echoed the infinite. These weren't just shapes, they were the language of creation. He observed that the golden ratio, a divine proportion, appeared in nature's most beautiful creations, from the spirals of seashells to the structure of galaxies. Even human beings were designed according to this numerical harmony. Pythagoras saw the universe as a grand tapestry woven by numbers. He believed that by understanding these numerical patterns, one could unlock the mysteries of existence itself. This insight laid the foundation for sacred geometry, a belief that numbers and shapes are the fundamental codes of creation. To Pythagoras, numbers were the keys to the universe's divine blueprint. Pythagoras' vision of numbers as the essence of reality revolutionized human thought. His teachings inspired generations of philosophers, mathematicians, and scientists, shaping the very foundations of Western knowledge. Plato, one of history's greatest philosophers, was deeply inspired by Pythagoras. He believed that the universe was governed by ideal forms, perfect shapes and numbers existing beyond the physical world. This idea became the cornerstone of Western metaphysics. During the Renaissance, Pythagorean ideas ignited a new age of exploration. Artists and architects used mathematical proportions to create harmonious masterpieces. Leonardo da Vinci's Vitruvian Man embodied Pythagoras' vision of numerical beauty. Astronomer Johannes Kepler was inspired by Pythagoras' concept of cosmic harmony. He discovered that planets move in elliptical orbits governed by precise mathematical laws, echoing the ancient idea of the music of the spheres. Isaac Newton expanded this vision, revealing that the universe follows universal laws of motion and gravity, written in the language of mathematics. Centuries later, Albert Einstein continued this legacy, describing space-time itself as a geometric fabric shaped by numbers. Even today, Pythagoras' vision echoes through modern physics. The search for a unified theory, an equation that explains all forces of nature, is the continuation of his quest to understand the numerical laws governing existence. Quantum mechanics, string theory, and the mathematics of black holes all reflect the Pythagorean dream of a universe built on numerical harmony. Pythagoras' legacy is alive in every equation, every algorithm, and every discovery. His belief that numbers shape reality continues to inspire the pursuit of knowledge across science, art, and philosophy. Pythagoras saw the universe as a cosmic symphony orchestrated by numbers. He believed that by understanding these numbers, we could glimpse the divine order behind all creation. To him, numbers were more than tools. They were sacred symbols, the keys to unlocking the mysteries of existence. And so, the question remains, what numbers shape your reality?